everyone, I hope you're well. So guess what? More mobility today. Such an important aspect of fitness that I don't think we're putting enough mobility exercises and drills into all our classes. So you know that last week at the IFS convention I did my towel mobility. It was just been so popular. Yesterday I did a full 45-minute towel mobility masterclass, and I wanted to give you a few more ideas. So if you're maybe having a mobility week and you're looking to put some different ideas together, if you're teaching today, why don't you send a WhatsApp message to all of your class members, tell them to bring a towel or get some yoga straps. I am going to get some straps made that are branded, that are going to be the perfect length for your mobility sessions, because I just think this is so good. So I'm just going to do some balance, mobility and strength, just a couple of combinations for you. And if you want yesterday's towel mobility masterclass and all the notes, just comment towel and then you can just grab that. It's all up ready to go. So you've already done your warm up. So let's do my favorite, just a multi-plane lunge. So if you start with your lunges forward, you'll see me do this loads of times, but with your towel or your strap, you can add rotation. So you've got a nice trunk rotation there. Stay on your right leg and do one rotation right, one rotation left, and then go to the other side and then go left. It's knocking me off balance, it's hard. Wheel out your trainers on and then go back to your singles with an external rotation. So that's one block you could do. Then you could change that to lateral flexion. So again, we'll do 4 alternate lateral flexion, and then stay on your right leg, go right lateral and then left. Just try that. If you're in the kitchen, grab a tea towel and do that with me and let me know. Okay, now let's drop the strap and just go to a frontal plane lunge or a lateral lunge. And again, with the same, both arms are in the front, and start with just rotation first, and then stay on your right side. So you could do right and then left. But still just bending your right knee, and then change. Same leg, same side, but go the other way. That's awesome. Go back to the right and do right lateral and then left lateral. There. Try that. That's hard. 1, so you go left lateral and then there. 1. Gotta think about it. And then just go into a posterior lunge. Upper body feels great with this. And then again, add your rotations there. And then we'll stay on your right side and do 1 right, this is hard, then 1 left, 1 right, same leg. Just this little pattern that I'm teaching you now is so good. There. Brilliant for balance. And then a move that I did at the convention, you can balance on your left leg and then use your yoga strap to go shin or knee, shoulder, lift. So you push down, knee, lift. So when everyone has got that, you can change it and go lower. Ankle, shoulder, lift. Again, ankle, shoulder, lift. And then on the floor, put your strap down or your towel down and then lift and then pick it up. There you go. Brilliant. Put it down and then lift it up and then pick it up. 1, 2, and then to the center, add a squat and then a shoulder mobility there. And you could keep changing the foot pattern, so you could do more of a neutral position and then step out wide there, and then bring the feet together and then push back and then do a staggered squat there, go back to the center. Oh, it's just endless. I can't keep coming up with different combinations for this. And then turn the toes out there, and then plie wider endless, isn't it? And then back into your neutral position, and then pull back for 2, and then you're ready to go on the other side. So let's go with your knee. So knee, shoulder, reach to the top, knee, shoulder, reach. When you're ready, shin, shin, shoulder, reach up, and shin, shoulder, reach. There you go, touch the floor or put the strap down, shoulder, reach up. One more. And then just a single squat. You could even add your rotations here. So if you want to see how you can build that up into a 45-minute class, just comment towel and I'll send you all the details for the masterclass and the notes. There you go. But let me know. I really want to know if you're using any of these exercises and they're helpful. Trying to do something a little bit different. Good morning, Jackie. How are you? Hope you're well. And then over the weekend, if you missed the Aqua bundle, it'll be the last hour probably to get that. So comment Aqua if you want the Aqua bundle. Or the postnatal fitness Pilates. That offer will finish today. If you want all of that information that we've done, the full certification, let me know. Right, I'll be off. I'm going to do the supporters briefing now. Have a lovely day, everybody. Lots of love from me. Keep smiling and keep your classes fresh, inspiring. Music was Deep 2 from Pure Energy Music app. All right, gang, have a lovely day. Lots of love from me. Mwah. See you on the next one.